Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is 3 waves up for W, 3 waves down for X, and I think it needs to make 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave Y, which I still think this wave Y will eventually go up and take out these previous highs. And just remember that a wave Y should be a wave A, wave B, and a wave C on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the Aussie has been very, very weak over the last couple of weeks, but I definitely am still looking at this as a wave 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. I think this over here is the wave A. This WXY is the wave B, so this is a 1, 2 of 3. I think this is likely a wave 1 right here, and this is actually an expanding flat wave 2. And I think there's a very good chance this is eventually probably going to go up this week for a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still calling this 5 waves up right here, wave 1. I think this is a 3-3-5 pattern. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3. So 3 down, 3 up, and then 5 down. I think that this is going to be a wave C, so it's an ABC 335, which is an expanding flat. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely fits the characteristics of an ABC expanding flat that is most likely going to break structure to the upside and end up continuing the uptrend. So for now, I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames because the trend is down on the daily. So right now, I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for pullback entries. I think there's a good chance this right here could be the end of a correction, but I definitely do see the possibility of it going up one more time, making more of a proper looking 1, 2, 3 pattern before it really does go down. Kind of seems like it's a 1, 2, 3, and that we are likely in a wave 4 that needs to go down again for a wave 5, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of this expanding flat. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm actually already short on it, even though I do see the possibility that this is a wave A, this is a wave B. I actually think it might be more possible that it's going to go up for a wave C before it actually does keep on trending down. Now, like I often say, sometimes what we think is a wave B is actually going to end up being the continuation of the downtrend. I personally am only looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. I'm not going to be trying to go long for a wave C. I understand that the trend is down on my higher time frames and that the higher probability trades are still going to be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So I'm definitely looking for shorts. I realize that it may go up and make a wave C, but I also realize that it may not. It may just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. I'm already short, so if it does keep on making lower lows, lower highs, that's great news for me. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.